Hey there, hope you are doing well. In this session, we will take a look at frequently asked SQL-based interview question for data analytics and data engineering profile. Let's take a look at the data set that we have for this example. We have employee table where we have fields like employee ID, manager ID, employee name, salary, and each employee's manager ID. The task that we have got is to get the list of employees. When we get the list of employees, we need to include only those employees whose salary is more than their manager's salary. Solution, query, and table DDL along with insert statement is provided in the description box. Please go and check it out. Now, let's start building the solution for this. Select from dbo.tblemp. I will call it E as table alias, E.employee ID, E.employee name, E.manager ID, and E.salary. I include all the columns. Along with these columns, I also want the manager name and manager salary. So I will implement a concept called self-join. Now how self-join will work, I will explain you in Excel. In case of self-join, we are going to create two copies of same table, copy 1 and copy 2. Copy 1 will be employee copy, employee details, where we will have employee details, where join will go through, iterate over each row and try to find the matching row in manager table. Now, how matching row will be searched here is using manager ID of employee table and employee ID of manager table. So if I try to find manager ID of employee table in manager table, I can get that here. And as a result, we are going to get the details of this row, which is employee ID 4, employee name is Rohit, salary is 15,000. So employee Samir has manager ID 4, whose name is Rohit and whose salary is 15,000. So we need to check whether 15,000 is less than 5,000, right? So Rohit's salary is less than Samir's salary, who is reportee of Rohit. If yes, then that employee is eligible for the result. In this case, Samir has lower salary than his manager, so he is not eligible to be a part of the result. But second employee, Abhijit, whose manager is again Rohit and his salary is 20,000, which is greater than his manager Rohit, whose salary is 15,000. So Rohit's salary is less than Abhijit's salary, so Abhijit is eligible to be part of result. So let's try to implement this logic using self-join. This time we will use inner join and we will create a copy of same table. By referring to same table, I will just use table alias as M. So this will be a copy for manager details, and join condition will be employee tables manager ID is equal to manager tables employee ID, and manager's table salary is less than employee tables salary. Or you can also say that employee table salary, employee salary is greater than manager salary. So that is also fine. Let's try to execute. However, before we execute, we need to get manager name. So manager.emp name will be manager name and manager salary will be manager.salary as manager salary. Let's execute this. We need comma here, F5, and we are getting employees like 6352. That should be the part of result. Are we getting same? Yes, right? So employee Dinesh, whose manager is Samir, manager salary is 5,000 and Dinesh has salary 10,000. So Dinesh has definitely higher salary than his manager. So I hope you understood the approach that I explained. If you are new on our channel, then subscribe us and visit our channel to watch more such videos.